Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the paper of mathematics and iOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact us anytime. We are here for help you, and you can tell us about your subjects so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. So now let us talk about the paper so that you can see the question number. There are total six questions. So every question has two parts, A and B. Second part is also A and B. Third AB, fourth AB, and fifth AB, and sixth AB. Okay, so there are the total six questions. In each and every question, there are options. You have to write only one question, and if you want to this question's answer, so we are here for providing all the answers. So thank you so much for watching. You can contact us anytime. We are waiting for you. Thank you.